Well, hi there, and welcome to Bijou Studio. I am so excited that you are here with me. So my name is Kathleen Chamberlain, and what I want to do is I want to make art with you and have fun. So every Wednesday, I'm going to upload a new video so we can make a craft project together every week. So this week, what we're going to do is we're going to make a catapult. Check it out. This is super cool and super easy. So this is what it looks like. You actually use about 12 different craft sticks, and then you need 4 rubber bands. So check it out. Just hang on a second, because then I'm gonna start doing the demonstration for you. Okay, it's super cool. Okay, all right, so we are ready to make our catapult. So these are the ingredients that you are going to need. These are the materials you're going to need. So I have about 12 craft sticks or popsicle sticks. They're also called tongue depressors. And I have a couple of colored ones, and those they don't have to be colored, but if you want to, you can color your own, or sometimes kits come with those colors in them. So we have about 12 of these, and then you're going to need 4 rubber bands. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to stack up all of the popsicle sticks except for 2. So just stack them on up. I find the easiest way to do it is just put it in your hand and then kind of squish them together. And make sure the ends are even, like that. And then take 1 rubber band and put it over one entire end, like that. Okay, so you've got this. Now what you want to do is take one of the popsicle sticks and put it underneath, slide it in, just move out one of these popsicle sticks, one of these popsicle sticks like this. You might need to get a parent to help you with that. And just slide this in. So see how it just kind of tucks right in there like that? Perfect. Okay. So now the next thing you want to do is you put it actually in the middle. From here to here, put it right in the middle this way. And now you want to put your other popsicle stick on top. This is going to be the catapult part. And you need to take another rubber band. And you need to hold these 2 pieces together. Okay, put the rubber band around there. And make it tight so it stays. There you go. They're not going to, make sure they don't fall off. Okay, so now the last thing we need to do is, actually second to last, is we're going to put another, you need to put another rubber band on this end. Like that. Make that nice and tight. And then we need to put 1 more rubber band on the top of the catapult. Now the reason why we do that is because we need a little platform. We need a little thing to stop the object from bouncing, from rolling off. So now there it is all put together, and so it's all ready to go. So what you probably want to do is when you hold it, when you do the catapult, you probably need to hold this side, and then you flip it like that. And it's super cool and super awesome, and I'm so glad that you are here, and I'm so glad you enjoyed it. All right, take care, and now you're going to see us try it out. Okay. Now, Cooper, would you like to show it how it works?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can
see your face.
I know, that's okay. They can see my face like this. It's all right. It's more important they see the catapult right now. Okay, so tell them what you have. And this is just one.
Mini marshmallows. You can use anything you want. So you put them on here. It hit the ceiling.
Okay, that was awesome. Okay, so
I'm gonna go get it.
Okay, go get it. Okay, so the other thing that you can do is that you can put anything that you want right here. You can use pennies, you can use marshmallows, you could use rocks, you could use buttons, you could use, what else could you use, Cooper?
Do you remember those nerd jelly beans that we
Oh,
had?
you could use nerd jelly beans.
You don't even, they're actually called Nerd Big Chews. Nerd Big Chews.
Mm-hmm.
So I got some from the Easter Bunny. And I was like, yeah.
So you could actually try those too. So make sure to use soft things if you have other people around. So like marshmallows are probably pretty good, and maybe even a Cheerio or something like that. if other people are around and close because you don't want to hurt anybody. Okay, let's show them the target.
I'm not done.
Okay, hurry up. We're just about ready. I'm loading up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, that's good. 50 points. Okay. So hold the target.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Oh, it's backwards.
No, they can see it because the camera's backwards.
Oh, okay.
It looks like it.
Okay, so here's my catapult. Can you turn it this way?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how. Okay, now we're gonna give it a try. You ready?
Good shot.
Oh, I think it goes up too high. That's okay. Here, can you hold it up here?
Oh yeah. You might not see it.
You can also hold it like this. Okay, put it back down. We'll try like this. I got 10.
We had a 10.
All right, well, hey, stay tuned for next week. Every Wednesday, every wacky Wednesday, we're going to do another craft. All right, see you then. I hope you had a good time. Say goodbye, Cooper.
Wait, no. I want to do a funny thing after the video. Or not.
Well, you got to say goodbye first. Say goodbye,
Why
everybody.
can't we do a funny thing?
Go ahead.
Mom, just shoot into my mouth. Take this thing.
Are you ready?
Sorry, guys.
Yay! It worked! Say now, wave 5.